LPEC campus is not flying alone. We are affiliated and associated very closely with international universities, particularly that of a Cambodian representation that we are about to hear from at this very moment in time. It is our privilege to invite the International Academic Director of the Preah Sihamon Raja Buddhist University, Professor Sombath Benjasirimongjo, to speak to us all.
So, dear colleagues, dear students, dear parents, I'm very happy to be here the first time in Sri Lanka. I'm very happy to see the convocation of the phase of your study is end and begin to the next. My students, education is one of the most important aspects of human life beyond the air we breathe, food and water that we need to eat and drink every day. Government of each country allocate huge budgets to make the people of the country educated, to bring knowledge, to develop the country, but not all governments can create educational institutions to meet the need of the people of the country, because the budget needs to be allocated to develop other necessary parts. Therefore, alternative studies to support the development by the private sector have arisen. In this regard, thanks to the private sector, Lanka Professional Education Center, LPEC, to help manage developing the people who lack the opportunity to receive public education, including people who can't afford the exorbitant of expenses to study in private universities. I would like to congratulate us and our parents for choosing to study at LPEC because, one, LPEC has corporate education with Preah Sihamoni Raja University, PSB University, a public university accredited by International Association of Universities, IAU, in France, but it is internationally recognized of education in the world, of which only 3 universities in Cambodia are admitted to membership. Secondly, PSB University has been appointed by the King of Cambodia for teaching, which only 2 universities in Cambodia, that is state university, we are collaborating with the private sector is very difficult. Third, LPEC with PSB University is an accredited institution for teaching and manage quality of studying, namely from the Cambodian Higher Education Commission and Sri Lankan University Grants Commission, UGC. That means that after graduation, students will be able to go to work, whether it is private or governmental agencies, easily, because it has received a local and as well as international accreditation. Fourth, in the near future, 2023, PSB University will have accreditations from the Place of Quality Assurance from the UK, Quality Accreditation Institute that is recognized by the UK Higher Education Institution. Students could be easier to study overseas. Fifth, I myself is one of the certified bodies in Thailand, and is an international academic director of PSB University. We keep one eye on the quality in teaching of ELPIC. And in the same time, I will keep another eye on you, students, whether you're doing your jobs as students well, because your parents have to work hard to earn money to pay your students' fee. Six, last but not least, I would like to thank you, ELPIC, the parent and you, students, for giving me the opportunity to speak with you today. Best wishes for the new era of life, and see you from time to time. Thank you.